Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can learn English from ChatGPT. First of all, I'll write a 20-word vocabulary list for C1 level English about the environment, give definition for every word, and I'll enter it. It will give me 10 words and their definition. I'll just copy paste it. Then I'll go to quizlet.com and click on plus and click on study set. I'll give it a name. Then I'll click on import and paste it here. Then I'll click on custom, add a colon and click on import. Then click on create. I'll choose a language, English, create. And here are my cards from which I can learn English. This is how you can learn English in few steps. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.